We're gonna cook something easy, not easy, but it's gonna be fast, I guess. It's not gonna be fast, it's gonna be long, I know. But we're gonna make Quet and Luoc, which is just like a type of like dipping sauce with like meat and also boiled napa cabbage. I got everything prepped here since I'm lazy today. So that's enough ingredient prep, and I'm just gonna start cooking. It's gonna be super simple. We're just gonna just like pan fry it and reduce down as much fat as you can. I'm just gonna put it in, just pan fry it, and just periodically just like pull out all like the fat and stuff, just to get that reduced down and like as crispy as possible. So it's gonna just be me in this pot for like 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna start cutting the vegetable into like square size. Simple. And then I'm gonna boil them. Now this is how the meat's gonna be looking, real crunchy and things. And I'm gonna go with my favorite thing to do. It's just cooking from the soul. You just season it however you want. I always like to base it with like a little of medium cooking wine to have that like sweetness and tartness to it. Now just an assortment of sauce. I have soy sauce here. This I just put in for fun, honestly. It doesn't do anything. And then obviously the thing that has carried all my cooking, sukiyaki sauce. Literally holy grail of my pantry. Little bit left over, just keep. And then you just let it condense and thicken down. And then I have my pot of rice over here. And the pot of rice is my boiled vegetable. Okay. And sugar. Again, just taste it as you go, kind of vibe. It's gonna be simple plating. I already know this is not gonna look pretty. And then the whole Quet. I wish I had like fake flowers, you know.
Wait, what do you call it? Whole Quet or cow Quet?
Whole Quet.
It's cow Quet.
For me, I guess. And then just top it off.
Burikake.
And there you have it, Quet with Luoc, or just sticky pork, I guess, with boiled vegetable and white rice. But thank you for watching another episode of another Mediocre cooking show with me today. Lovely to see y'all, and see you next week.